Daddy.
Hello, my love.
Well, it's almost noon. No, yeah, it's almost noon. It's 11:30, and today is 21st of March, 2020.
Yeah.
What's the updates? We have 2 sails, and why your hand is not in the tiller?
Because we have the auto tiller.
Oh,
It's my second auto tiller. My first one is you. So, since you wanted to take a nap, I have to use the standby auto tiller. But yeah, everything got changed because of COVID-19. We're still on leave, but now it's kind of like a mandatory thing because we can't go to Germany, which is where all of our household goods are and where our car is, and we can't go back to North Carolina because our house is rented. And both of those places are probably less safe than here. So our guidance is to just stay on leave and stay away from people, which usually when you're on a sailboat, that's not an issue. So unfortunately, a lot of the marinas aren't taking new transients, so we had the unexpected expense of having to pay for a month at the last marina we was at. That way we could always go back to a marina and plug in and charge our batteries, get fresh water, use a shower, that sort of thing. But since we can go like a week at a time, we got our solar panels now. We've only used like 2 gallons of gas from Miami to the Florida Keys, almost to Key West. We'll find out today when we fill up. But we can stay out here for a long time, and now it's almost like a necessity now. So we're going to do our social distancing, and we're going to keep on sailing. We're going to go to Key West today.
if we can reach Key West.
Well, we're going to head in that direction. We'll anchor probably somewhere halfway in between, and then we'll make it to Key West tomorrow. And then we'll stay there Monday, and then I'm thinking we'll go to the Dry Tortugas, and we'll anchor until we feel like coming back. And then we'll come back, and then we'll maybe explore some other things in the Keys. And we'll make it one way or another. We'll see how this thing turns out, but it's getting kind of scary. I mean, if you look at the numbers, if the numbers are correct, if these experts are correct, then 40 to 70% of the global population is going to get this thing. And if you consider even in the best countries, in the U.S. and South Korea, the mortality rate's like 1%. That's a lot more people are going to get sick. So we'll do our part. We'll stay away. And, yeah, we can stay safe.
Ya, hari ini tanggal 21 Maret 2020 ya. Jadi akhirnya kami memutuskan untuk menyewa slip di marina untuk 1 bulan. Jadi waktu kami masuk ke marina terakhir itu di Marathon, kota Marathon. Lalu hari berikutnya ya, atau besoknya, ada pengumuman dari Pemda Florida yang mengatakan bahwa hotel-hotel harus tidak boleh menerima tamu lagi, demikian juga marina. Jadi hotel, tempat rekreasi mulai ditutup. Dan karena kami sudah ada di situ, jadi ya kami perpanjang saja waktu tinggal kami menjadi 1 bulan. Jadi paling tidak kami seperti punya tempat base ya untuk kembali. Kalau kami mau pergi berlayar kemana, kami selalu punya tempat kembali. ya ternyata situasi yang benar-benar tidak pernah diduga oleh orang-orang ya, menjadi lebih buruk. Kami berlibur dan ternyata masalah yang harus dihadapi adalah wabah ya, wabah penyakit, bukan misalkan kekurangan uang atau kehilangan barang, tapi atau ada perang atau apa, penyakit ini sesuatu yang baru. Jadi ya sudah, kami hanya berusaha terus memantau bagaimana perkembangannya sampai sebulan ke depan. Karena kami tidak bisa pulang, rumah kami sudah dikontrakan karena seharusnya kami pindah ke Jerman. Tapi kalau kami pergi ke Jerman sekarang juga keadaannya lebih buruk di sana ya. Jadi ya sudah, kami menunggu saja 1 bulan bagaimana perkembangannya. Ya semoga saja kami tetap sehat dan selamat, dan saya harap para pemirsa juga sehat dan selamat, terus terhindar dari semua bahaya. Ya, jadi sekarang kami terus mencoba berlayar ke selatan karena ini belum ujungnya Kepulauan Keys ya, atau Florida Keys. Kami hanya mencoba itu dan ya, sampai bermain-main selama 1 bulan ke depan.
Hey Buati, what's up?
Hey,
Give us an update.
ya, so hari ini tanggal 22 Maret 2020 kami melanjutkan perjalanan setelah berjangkar semalam di sana, dan ya kami akan terus ke selatan menuju Key West, dan ya akan singgah di Key West juga, berjangkar di Key West mungkin untuk 1 atau 2 malam. Dan sekarang kami sudah mulai mengembangkan layar sejak awal. Walaupun kami masih berada di dalam kanal ya, belum ke samudra, tapi ya sudah bisa mengembangkan layar, dan kami akan berjalan melalui samudra lagi. Semoga saya tidak mabuk. Sudah 2 hari, tidak 2 hari, tapi 2 kali, sudah 2 kali berturut-turut kami melewati samudra dan saya mabuk ya, setengah mati. Bahkan yang terakhir saya sudah minum obat anti mabuk sebelum perjalanan atau saat perjalanan baru dimulai, tapi tidak mempan. Sekarang saya sudah mencoba lagi, tidak tahu bagaimana hasilnya. Semoga saja laut lebih bersahabat. Ya, begitulah untuk hari ini. Good morning, buah hati.
Selamat pagi.
Yeah, today is 22 of March 2020. What's the update?
So is today the first day of spring? Or was that yesterday?
Oh, maybe today, because today is Sunday. Normally it's on Sunday, right?
don't know. Anyway, we're leaving Newfound Harbor. That's Cook Island over there. Now we only have a few more keys until West Key, or Key West. Yeah, West Key's a different key. About 25 miles, so it should be a pretty short day. We're going to go around the island, around the key though, and find an anchorage. And then we're going to go ashore, and hopefully we can rent a scooter. And we'll go to the base so I can catch up on some work emails type stuff, and then maybe do some provisioning, maybe because it's the military base, it wasn't open to the public, and I don't know, maybe there's still some hand sanitizer left.
Okay.
And then we're going to start thinking about going to the Marquesas and the Dry Tortugas, and we talked about it last night. I think we might go up the west coast of Florida to put the boat into storage instead of going all the way back around and up to St. John's River. So we'll look into that as well. No, it looks like a nice day. I think it's going to be a little bit softer winds today than it was yesterday, which kind of sucks. Yesterday, Windy was calling for 14 to 19 knot winds, which was pretty good winds, but then when we got out there, it was more like, I don't know, 6 to 12, which wasn't enough to keep our sails totally inflated through the swell, which causes the boat to hobby horse.
Yeah, that's already enough to make me
and
seasick.
Then my bullhead gets seasick. So we need good strong wind so that my bullhead don't get seasick.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, I'm positive. Absolutely positive.
My goodness.
And you don't like bobbing like a cork.
Yeah, I don't like that.
So, all right, that's it.
Buati.
Hey, Boti.
What's up?
My depth meter isn't working properly. That's what's up. It says we're in 3 foot of water.
Which is impossible, otherwise other boats that are bigger than ours will be stranded.
Yeah, but it's been consistent. I wonder why it's doing that. I mean, it's happened since we stopped at this mooring ball. We used a mooring ball for the first time, which I don't like.
Because we don't know how to do it.
Yeah, there's a popular mooring field here,
Where are we?
Key West. And this is Fleming Key. Right over there's the U.S. Army Dive School for Special Forces operators. I never went to that school, but I have some friends that did.
I know a friend who know a friend.
Yeah. So for us to get anywhere, we'd have to kayak down there, which doesn't look too far when you look at it right now.
But that's a restricted area.
No, down there past the restricted area. See where the pretty buildings are? That's where civilization starts.
It looks far.
Well, maybe it's far. I don't know. So we'll do a little research and maybe we'll move tomorrow. We gotta go get gas anyway. We haven't gotten gas since Miami. We've only used. We haven't even gone through the first tank, so we still have a whole other tank left. But it's been a long day. Wahati did not get seasick today, but she was worried about getting seasick all day. So we just need to relax, I guess.
I have a mild headache.
Still.
No.
Okay. We'll do the Key West thing here tomorrow. Maybe we'll get a motor scooter and explore. And then we're going to do some research, and then we're going to go out to the Marquises. And then we're going to go out to Dry Tortugas. But we got to do reprovisioning. I got to check my emails, my government emails, and see Key West, see what kind of craziness is going on here with the COVID virus.
Okay. Ya, sekarang sudah jam 6 sore, kami berjangkar di Key West, kami sudah sampai di Key West. Dan ini adalah area tempat banyak mooring ball ya. Jadi semua yang berjangkar di sini menggunakan mooring ball, tidak menggunakan jangkar. Kami belum pernah menggunakan mooring ball, jadi kami asal saja tebak-tebak bagaimana caranya, dan ya tidak tahu, sepertinya kok kurang aman, tapi ya itu mungkin karena kami tidak tahu bagaimana caranya. Jadi kami hanya mengikatkan tali di tali mooring ball, dan ya besok kami akan ke darat besok pagi, karena Monty juga harus melakukan sedikit pekerjaan, atau ya ada email yang harus dia balas, dan ini ada pangkalan militer di sini, jadi ya kami akan ke darat, dan ya itu saja. Dan biasa juga mungkin akan berbelanja sedikit sebelum kami pergi ke Taman Nasional Dry Tortugas. So this is how we take shower every day, just dipping into the water, and then that's it. How's the water, Bonnie?
Well, better than that up there. Well, it's safe to say it's more than 4 feet.
Let me dip my head.
Shark!
That's it. That's how we shower every day. Ya, Ya, jadi begitulah cara kami mandi setiap hari. Hanya menyelupkan diri di air laut, membasahi dari atas sampai bawah, dan selesai. Lalu kami membersihkan atau mengelap dengan handuk, dan sudah selesai. Tidak gatal, tidak apa. Mungkin sudah kebal, tidak tahu juga.